you making?
My carrot soup.
Carrot soup.
Well, it's soft now.
Is it soft now? I think it needs to boil a little bit more. But you're doing a great job though, buddy.
Well, I love carrot soup.
It smells so good in here. Found our favorite mandu place.
How many did you get?
I got 3 gogies, 2 kimchis.
How did you for the princess?
Myeongdong.
What restaurant are we at?
Hongdu Myeongdong. I don't even know if this place, actually maybe it didn't even exist when we were here last 2 years ago.
Really?
I don't know. But it's like a park. It's right across the street from when we would always get beers after he was asleep.
This
But now you exist, so there's no more beers either way. Did you drop your shoes?
The brush shoes?
Yeah. Okay, so cut and then use as outside? Cool. Oh yeah, it was so good. We're going for sure. I have some.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh
Wow.
So funny. Wow, so special.
It's beautiful in here. I'm currently in the ink change room. It's beautiful, it's huge. And I'm so excited I get to try on some pieces. There is this one really beautiful dress that I'm very excited to try on. I'm heading to a show for Seoul Fashion Week, and I was like, oh, like I think this dress would look really nice, and I would love to represent ink at Seoul Fashion Week. But I also had my eye on these like beautiful, beautiful knit pieces. So I'm gonna try them on first. Obviously it's like 31 degrees outside, so I couldn't wear it right now, but I'll try it on for you first. So this is the vest. It's got a really beautiful cropped feel. It's actually not too heavy. Like I don't know what the blend is, but it's like a beautiful, beautiful knit. And this is with the matching cardigan, which really caught my eye when I saw it online. Like it'd be so nice for the fall. Okay, I have to show you this dress. It is so beautiful. I can't do the buttons, but it's a dream. Okay, let me get these buttons done. Like look how beautiful this color. I haven't even finished the back. But the pleats, oh my god, beautiful. It is a freaking scorcher, but I'm heading to the RE show. I don't know how to pronounce it fully, but got my ticket.
Jacob, where'd you go from? How'd you get here? Dinosaur tunnel.
Majang Meat Market.
Yes.
We're finally here.
A long time
Ooh, he gave us an additional whatever this is. So now we're gonna go upstairs to cook it. Wow.
One cola zero and one Pepsi.
Yeah.
Small ones, okay? Yeah, sure. See all the white lines in it, Jacob? That's all the fat.
I guess. Like the fat?
It's just kind of thin part. Like, no. Like the.
Oh, I guess.
Someone fell in the stream.
Tarps off.
Oh, okay.
Jacob fell into the river, so we have to give him
Jacob, come here. Let's put your shirt on.
this cropped vest that Alyssa got today as a gift. So let's see. Jacob, fit check.
Woo!
Oh, hi. Let's go. Teju, let's see.
That's actually not a bad fit.
Yo, looking good.
Let's shove it in there.
잘생겼어.
I'm so sweaty. We're trying to make our way home. We took a wrong turn. And now we're walking to the next subway stop. Our last stop before home
Very important.
is K-pop Square. Eric's been dying to show me after him and Eddie discovered it.
Hey, you gotta take some accountability, okay? You want to come here.
Oh, that is a lot of YouTubers.
I thought this was
Wow.
Hey, look, it's your son Matthew.
Jacob wants to hold the chicken. So he's gonna hold the chicken. All we had to do was subscribe to his channel.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, Taejuni.
Hey, go, mommy. Look at mommy.
Keep your arm up. Keep it, strong arm. Keep your arm up.
You like the chicken?
Strong arm. Straight arm, JJ.
I think it's heavy chicken.
Heavy. Okay. 잘했어. Can you say thank you? Yeah. You like it? Is that good salt bread?
Good.
Mmm.
Gives more of this too.
Oh, I forgot to ask. How was the hanwoo?
Hanwoo?
Yeah, the hanwoo.
I love meat.
I knew. It was a little bit too, I don't know. It was really good. We'll do it again. Maybe
No,
like,
continue your sentence. I want to hear the full review.
it's like so rich. So like, you know, you need small pieces and
Yeah, maybe some green tea to like help cut the fat would have been nice.
we had a lot of it.
It was really good. Jacob ate a lot. Haley ate a lot.
Like maybe next time you get like less hanwoo and like more like regular beef and then,
Okay.
you know?
Yeah, I agree.